Yeah, so my name is Mike Haygood. I am currently Vice President of Sales and Marketing for the company. McEntire Produce is a family-owned company. It started back in 1938. McEntire Produce sells a number of different products, primarily processed. So as a rule, we maintain a 5-day-a-week processing, sometimes 6 if it's absolutely necessary. 18 hours a day for every day we produce, and that is with full sanitation, throughout the day and at the end of the day. Obviously, quality is extremely important, and we have very, very strict quality standards, as do our customers. But food safety by far is what is driving the industry.
What makes the scale incline hard to clean is it's very tall, it's very high, it's very long. The belt is very heavy, so it's very difficult to get to all the points that you need to properly clean the belt. You want to make sure that when you're cleaning it, all of the produce particles are removed. Otherwise, you have product contamination from one item to another. So it takes a lot of time to clean this belt effectively. The advantages to using the ThermoDrive belt system is that the belt is lighter for one. You can pick it up. There are levers to lift the belt so you can get underneath the belt very easily and remove all of the particles. Getting rid of the particles reduces microbial contamination. The belt is also more safe in that it is stronger and it tears, it doesn't break. We have a very aggressive safety culture, and this belt is much easier to clean, it's much easier to get to, and so the risk of employee injury is greatly reduced. Part of the value for working together with companies such as Intralox and Commercial Food Sanitation allowed us to, one of the most important things was to be able to speed up the changeover. We have a number of changeovers on every line every day, and those downtime minutes add up very quickly. So being able to do one in a shorter amount of time is extremely important. So because this belt can be cleaned faster, we were able to save 58% of the total time it takes to change over using this belt versus the old style belt. Because there's so many changeovers, when you start adding this up over the course of a year, it ends up being tens of thousands of dollars. The other advantage is that it increases plant capacity. Every minute that you're not down, you're up. And the longer you have to run, the more cases you can put out. When you have a facility that's running at 70 to 85% capacity, it's extremely important to be able to have more uptime and less downtime.